Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna explain about voiceless sound. But first, you know what is phonetic? Phonetic is the study of the human voice. Divide consonant into two types: voiceless consonant and voiced consonant. So, what is voiceless sound? You remember voiceless sound has three characteristics: no vibration, second vocal cord spread apart, and the last one air passed unimpaired. If you want to pronounce a voiceless consonant, you remember, don't use your vocal cord to produce the heart. Percuse the sound. So I have some example about voiceless consonant. Wash, coat, watch, book, and sit. Okay, I hope to enjoy this video.